While chip manufacturing remains incredibly resource-intensive, semiconductor companies are working to achieve ambitious sustainability goals. Schneider Electric, the world's leading impact company for 11 years, helped semiconductor fabs to achieve those sustainability aspirations. It starts by auditing the fab's energy and carbon footprints. With professional guidance, this auditing step creates a full baseline picture of the fab's resources and energy use. Once that picture is complete, semiconductor companies can take advantage of expert guidance to develop sustainability and a decarbonization roadmap with actions. These sustainability-focused initiatives make semiconductor companies more attractive to ESG-conscious investors, along with lots of other benefits, like improving profitability and value creation, supporting their customers' value chain, Scope 3 goals, satisfying end-user priorities, and retaining top talent. Want to learn more? Visit se.com/semiconductors.